shoot apical meristems control plant growth and reproduction. This method helps us investigate the morphology and internal structures of shoot apical meristems not only in the model species but also in different crops.
This technique is a very efficient procedure. Shoot apical meristem can be directly visualized in a high cellular resolution without any label-intensive sample fixation and tissue sectioning steps.
To begin, grow Arabidopsis, tomato, and soybean plants as detailed in the text protocol. Cut the inflorescence shoot apex from the bolted Arabidopsis plants. Hold the basal part of the main stem and use forceps to remove as many older flower organs as possible from the main stem. Continue removing the rest of the flowers in the field of the stereomicroscope until the shoot apical meristem can be viewed from the eyepieces. To view the vegetative shoot apical meristems from either tomato or soybean, dissect out the cotyledons, leaves, and roots from the plant. Hold the hypocotyls of the plant under the stereomicroscope and use forceps to further dissect out the leaves and leaf primordia covering the vegetative shoot apical meristems. Pipette 50 microliters of propydium iodide solution in a clean and empty Petri dish. Dip the whole dissected shoot apex into dye for 2 minutes.